So, welcome to the Grafana and Grafana Cloud tutorials with logs, traces, and metrics course. Okay, so in this tutorial, we are going to learn first of all Grafana, then in Grafana Cloud, we are going to learn logs, traces, and metrics course. Okay, so in this course here, we have learned total 9 sessions here. So let's start from first. So in first session, the Grafana introduction and installations. Okay. So in this session, first of all, we are going to learn what is Grafana and its features. Then after that, we are going to learn how to run Grafana using Docker container. Then third one, how to install Grafana on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. After that, we are going to learn how to install Grafana on Windows. And in last, how to install Grafana using Helm chart. So that's the first section, Grafana introduction and installation. So in this, we have installed different operating system, right? We are going to install Grafana on different operating system on Ubuntu, Windows, and using Helm chart. Okay. Then next section is second section is data sourcing Grafana. So in this section, we are going to learn first how to add Prometheus data source in Grafana, then how to add MySQL data source in Grafana, as well as you can say integrate remote MySQL in Grafana. Okay, that's the second. In third section, variable in Grafana. So in this, we are going to learn how to forward logs to Grafana Loki using prompt. Okay, then fourth section, monitor Docker container with Prometheus and Grafana. And in this, we are going to learn how to monitor Docker containers using Prometheus and Grafana. Then after that, in fifth section, monitor Elasticsearch with Prometheus and Grafana. And in this, we are going to learn how to monitor Elasticsearch with Prometheus and Grafana. After that, next one is sixth, monitor Kubernetes cluster using Prometheus and Grafana. And in this, we are going to learn monitor AWS EKS using Prometheus and Grafana. Okay. Then in seventh session, we are going to learn alerting in Grafana. So in alerting Grafana, we will learn how to configure email alerts in Grafana. Okay. After that, in 8th section, next one is Grafana Cloud tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create account in Grafana Cloud. Then after that, we are going to learn how to integrate Linux server in Grafana Cloud. And in last, Grafana Loki tutorial. So in this section, we are going to learn how to forward logs to Grafana Loki using prompt. Okay, so that's the 9th section. Which section? First of all, installation, then data source, then variables, monitor Docker containers with Prometheus and Grafana, monitor Elasticsearch with Prometheus and Grafana, monitor Kubernetes cluster using Prometheus and Grafana, alerting in Grafana, then Grafana Cloud tutorials, and after that, Grafana Loki tutorials. So that's it, right? So in this course, we will learn this 9 section. Okay. So thank you.